Good morning, middle school. This morning, Pearl and I come to you from the Seagulls laundry room down here in the basement. And we're going to do a laundry lesson so that you can be helpful and wash your own clothes. First, please make sure to ask your folks' permission to use the laundry machines. We're going to start with washing. So, number one, you want to look at any of the garments or pieces of clothing that you're going to wash. What are you looking for? Well, you're looking for any special instructions about how it wants to be washed. So generally, inside, there's a tag somewhere. And let's see, this one says it's 100% polyester. It tells you what it is made of. And then it actually gives you instructions here about how to wash it. This one says, machine wash cold with like colors. A lot of people do a lot of sorting of laundry. I have never been one of those people. I pretty much put everything in one pile and wash it on cold. Yep, that's the secret to my success. So you should feel free to sort as much as your heart desires, and also to double check, definitely do double check that synthetics or wool are okay for the machine. Some things are dry clean only or hand wash only. I don't recommend washing those. So do check your labels. Sort by color if you like, but the trick is if you always wash on cold, you're much less likely to have the dye run. Okay, so we've got a load down here that we're going to wash. We changed all the bed sheets yesterday. Pearl, come on over. Will you load this into the washing machine, please? So she's going to put it in so that it's not too tight. We have a big front loader because we've got a pretty big family. You might also have a top loader with an agitator. So you want to put your garments or your sheets in there, linens in there, so that it's full but not too tight. You want it to be able to move around with the water. Keep going, one more bit there. And then I use a laundry booster for every load. And this allows me to say to my kids, don't worry, get dirty. Mom's good at laundry. So I use OxyClean. I do say that, don't I? Okay, shove it in there. This is OxyClean. Okay, can you take this and just put it right in the drum there?
Where?
Right there.
There?
Yep.
Dump it?
Yeah, dump it. So OxyClean makes your detergent work even better. You may also look at your garments first to make sure there are no stains, but I just let the OxyClean do that. Grab that and put that in. Great. And then close it up. And then we're going to power on. Yep. And then we have, if you have an agitator or a front loader, you probably are going to put the detergent right in there. We've got a little pocket here where it says, oh, put it in here. Don't put any more than that. Here you go.
Wait, where do I put it?
Oh, yeah, here. I'm going to lift you up. You're going to put it right in here where it says max. Ready? Whoa.
Where says max?
Just pour it right in there.
Okay. Oh.
All of it. Nice job. Okay. And then close your drawer.
Close.
Yep. And then you're going to have some choices about your water temperature. Again, I just wash everything on either cold or eco cold, and then I don't have to worry about any dyes running. Or I just wash it on normal, and I choose.
Which one do I do?
So this one already says normal. So you're good. And then you're going to press start.
This.
Yep. Nice job, Pearl. Your first load of laundry is in. All right, have a good day, middle schoolers. Get busy helping with chores.